to get her nose piercing. Ooh. Oh boy.
Hi. I'll be right with you. And do you have letter A that you want? Yeah, I'm just going to be able to find them on them. Okay. And then same thing, yeah. You want me to like zoom it out?
Gotta be safe.
You can probably take a photo of it like that.
Don't work.
That one? Yep.
Not working.
How big? Pretty well between here.
Oh look.
Okay.
Predator. On ET. Not predator. Alien. Alien. That's crazy. The gremlin is so cool. Lord. This is the gremlin that has the face mask on. Ski mask.
All of us.
I think I said predator. That was alien. Yeah. And that's not the other gremlin. First one was the gremlin. That was gremlin. Got a face mask on him. And then you got another gremlin up top there. Huh? Yes, we really doing this. Yeah, you got the gremlin. I made a mistake. That one was a gremlin. That's not a. That was a gremlin. That's crazy. Yeah, then how long they say this was gonna be? Oh, damn, I thought you talked to somebody already. I was in my phone. My bad. That other gremlin is so cool. Yeah, Alien and E.T. Yeah, that's the other one. Got a little gizmo with him too. Ready. Whatever that one is. Kids, you know what I mean? Kids, you know?
He's probably close to my age.
Yeah,
probably
she
older
is.
than me.
Yeah.
I'm fine with those two. Okay.
So you're not doing no hoops, right? Thank God. Okay.
Alright, it's gonna be 2 for $25. Okay. But I need to see if I can get it in without taper. So I can go do that now and then we'll see what it's gonna be. Okay. Taper's gonna be like $5 if I need you to, okay? Tapered wasn't me. That's just helping me get the jewelry in. It's not a needle or anything. It's just opening your hole. Okay. Alright. Follow me. Okay.
Kids. Crazy.
cards.
Yeah.
Hello. We'll be right with you. Okay.
We all done now?
I'm only here for 5 minutes to talk to them. Please let me know. Just hang tight for 5 minutes of your day, okay?
Alright.
Literally, stand up to your plate with your brother. Tell you about car.
Hey, give me some water.
No, whenever you stop to the car.
Alright, you're all set?
Alright, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Y'all have a
Take
good
care.
day.
You too.
You too.
Uh-oh.
Here.
Your nose look pink, Diabion.
Yeah, because they closed.
Oh, look at
I had
this.
to do a taper.
Let them see what you got. Let them see what you got. Damn,
I hate it here.
pink.
I really hate it here because it closed, so they have to
Yeah.
needle wrap through it.
Okay, so we all done. So we were at the infamous Revival Tattoo and Piercing. Infamous Revival Tattoo and Piercing. Okay. Hello. That's something, eh? Oh boy. So you got what you wanted. No.
That's exactly why.
Hey, where my keys?
Where did you put the keys?
In my pocket. See ya.